Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys, how can we on our flash notification guys. When notification come in your phone guys, you can see your flash notification. And guys, how can you on this setting in your Samsung phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, now let's see how to on flash notification in Samsung phone device. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to on your flash notification. Then guys scroll it and guys click on your accessibility setting. Guys, you can see this accessibility setting. Guys, tap here. Guys, you can see your advanced setting. Then guys, you can see flash notification. So guys, tap here and guys camera flash notification you can on from here guys. So you can see your flash notification when any notification come to your phone guys, you can see flash. So I hope friends you have understood how to on flash notification in Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.